Alright, so we got a box of Upper Deck Premier 2007 football today. We're going to just crack this one open and hope for someone decent from this box.
Mate, you're holding it really close to your face. There, yeah, that's better.
I don't really care. Alright, so once again, redemptions are expired, but as we found out from the Champ Bailey in the Upper Deck rookie threads, they are still redeeming them if they have it. So let's get cracking on this one. Got a Lee Evans base on the front to 225. And we got a Reggie Bush on the back to 75. Two thick ones. One's obviously both one's a manufacturer patch, and the other one's just the regular patch. So we'll go from the back. We've already seen the Reggie Bush to 75, 619. Nice. And the patch card is nice. Steven Jackson and Sean Alexander there, numbered to 25. Rare patches dual. They're actually two color, which is a surprise in this product. Get a lot of one color. Our jersey card will be Calvin Johnson to 99. Quad jersey. Nice. And we got a Jason Hill autograph. I think I already got one of his Lettermans from Rookie Threads, so that's a shame. And we have a Chad Johnson triple jersey autograph. Nice. To 25. And a Moby Okoye autograph to 99. There you have it. Upper Deck Premier 2007. Pretty good box, I think. Better than a lot of other ones I've seen. Ocho Cinco. See you guys later.